Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Printful on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can just head over in here to your search bar. Now on the search bar, just search in here for Printful. And then in here, you should be able to see this Printful print on demand. So click on this right here. And then this will direct you to the new tab wherein you can see here the Shopify App Store and just click on this install button right here. Once you have clicked on your install button, it will direct you to another tab wherein it will ask you if you want to install this specific application. You just need to grant this access to this right here and click on install. Once you have clicked on install right here, it will be fully integrated to your Shopify store. So in here, you can see that Printful has been loaded and you should be able to see the dashboard in just a few seconds. So let's just wait for this right here. And in here, you just need to allow cookies. You need to connect Printful to Shopify. You can log in using Google, Apple, Facebook, or you can also sign up with your email. So for me, I'll just sign in using Google, and then I'll just choose my Google account. And I should be able to sign up to Printful using this way. So I'll just continue this process right here. So just follow your on-screen instruction to do that. After that, was click on this connect store to your email. And then this will load again, and in here you should be able to see your Printful. So click on this add product right here, and then from in here you can see your new products, like for example some mugs, some t-shirts like this one. So stocks right here, we also have that. So for example, let's choose this all over print recycled hockey fan. So let's click on this one, and then once you have clicked on this, it will load in here and it will provide you with the tutorial just like this, and in here you can actually configure your design. So you can upload or drop your design here. So let me just click on this and I will upload in here a video or a picture rather. So click on this upload view file, and then I will just upload a file right here of this dog. Click on open, and then it will upload that specific file right here. So in here I have here the file library, so just click on this one. And you should be able to see this file right here. So just click on this right here to select, and you should be able to add this. So once you have added this one, you should be able to drop your design. So under the uploads, in here you can see this. So click on preview, and you will see what it looks like if you want. So if you want, you can also head over and just use the sample files that they have. So click on this right here, and then click on move to. You can also move this on a new folder if you want as well. So in here, you have here the file. So you just need to head over and add this. If you have another file in mind, just click on upload new file. Then just choose another file and open that. And then once you have opened that, it will upload in here as well. So you just need to head over and you can see the file in here. So you can click on apply. And once you have clicked on apply, as you can see, this will load and you will see what it looks like. So you just need to head over and then just choose the placement of this label right here. You can also click on this right here to scale down if you want as well. So in here, you can see what it looks like right now. It will put itself right in here. So click on continue. And let's make this white and click on select. And then click on yes, continue. So after you're done with everything, you can see a mock-up or you can create custom mock-ups as well. So click on this way, click mock-ups because they already have that pre-ordered and all of that. So in here, just after that, click on continue. And then in here, it will look like this. So in here, you can see what it looks like, product visibility and all of that. You can also see that you can put it on your product collections. So I have here some product collections that you can choose from. So I will choose it here under the drop shipping. Then click on continue and click on submit to store. Once it's been submitted, you should be able to see that it's been uploading on my store and it has been added. So let's head over in here on Shopify and under our product. So let's see that it is actually loading right now. Once it's done loading, so you can just scroll down. And once you have scrolled down, you should be able to see it right here. But if you can see it, you can head back in here on your Printful again. And then in here, head over to your product catalogs, product templates, and you can see in here a lot of options that you can choose from. under this product catalog that you have right here, you can see that you can browse through products and you can create new products right here. And all the orders created on your Shopify will be able to be redirected right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.